just left my car and there are two seagulls going to my car as I'm going into their space. What's this? I wonder if he thinks there's food there. I guess I wonder what I'm doing here. He's exploring and I'm exploring. The waves are large-ish. Large-ish. Not stupidly large, but big enough. A lot of seaweed. It's very slippery. And I don't have the right shoes for this. And I recently rolled my ankle, which is still healing, so it's probably not the smartest idea I've had, but you know, I hope it doesn't try to take the camera mount. I doubt that's possible. Are slippery. Like a whole community of seagulls over there. First I thought they were penguins and saw them flying. Oh, that's a pretty cool wave. And right over there. Yep. This definitely has the vibe of famous last words as the waves keep getting stronger. I'm gonna head back to the car. My poor ankle, my ankle. Ow, ow, ow. I don't remember which route I took to get here. But, the rock patterns are really cool. Oh gosh. I really wanted to get a chest mount so I wouldn't have to hold this stick that I'm holding right now, but Best Buy didn't have any in stock, at least, you know, in person. You'd have to order online, and I don't know, I might still try to order one ahead of one of the destinations I'm going to so I can just pick it up, like, eat it there and pick it up. And I think I came from somewhere-ish around here. It's a lot of seaweed. I mean, oh, Jesus. I should bring better shoes to this stuff next time. I do have some hiking boots on my car, so that could have worked, but hey. Seagull. Yeah, that could have worked, but did I come from? I came from there, didn't I? Well, but yeah, my ankle hurts, so I can't do that. But yeah, this guy's so, oh, Jesus. All right, how am I gonna? Oh God, ow. My foot is not healed enough for jumping. This is beautiful. This is really gorgeous. You know, thank God seagulls are not like predatory towards humans, at least as far as I'm concerned, because a lot of these places we would not be able to visit if they saw us as food. It would be significantly more dangerous. I said I was going back to the car, and here I am. The houses here are really nice. Very, very big. And not just the size of the house, but the land it sits on is huge. It's like, I don't even know how to describe the homes here. I thought I was seeing big houses back in the DMV, and I'm sure there's like a corner of the DMV somewhere that have homes that look like that, but the vibe here is just different. Like this place looks like where Jeff Bezos lives, or it's like where Tony Stark would buy a house or something, off of the coastline of the ocean. It's really nice. It'd be pretty romantic. unfortunately, I guess, not unfortunately, I think it was in Virginia, but I need to hurry up and transfer all the videos I've taken over to my computer or my external hard drive so that I can delete them from the SD card and record new stuff without having to buy a new SD card. Oh, jeez. So I think I have about an hour and 30 minutes left of space on the device. Once again, this is Newport, Rhode Island. For a sec, I thought the Newport was named after a cigarette company, but this town was founded in the 1500s, and Newport, the cigarette company, founded much later. So they're now one and the same. No tie-ins. Apparently that was the naming convention that the English would use for new settlements or new colonies.